make a square. So first of all, we'll make a knot, and chain 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I will insert the hook into the first chain, pull it through, and we've got a circle. So now first treble, 1, 2, 3 trebles. Now we'll do 2 chains, 3 more trebles, 1, 2, 3, 2 chains, 1, 2, 3. So we'll do another 2 more chains, another lot of 3 trebles. Go 1, 2, 3, 2 chains, and insert the hook into the first to join. So this is the beginning of our square. Doesn't look like a square just yet, but will in a moment. So the second row is to get to that space. I will just slip stitch through the top of these trebles and go into this space to make 2 lots of 3 trebles. So that's 1, 2, 3, 2 chains, 3 more trebles, so now we're going into the next space. So no chains, we just skip over, go into this corner for 3 treble, 2 chains, so we're almost there. Now insert the hook into the next space to do 3 more trebles, 2 chains, 3 more, 1, 2, oopsie, 3, join into the, oopsie, and here's our square.